chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So should we also make the mind map or will you demonstrate?
Yeah, I will prepare the mind map. You should copy in your notes. That's better
Okay, sir.
in one page. So first, we'll start from here. Fiber to the fabrics is the chapter name, or animal fiber. Right?
Yes, sir.
Or else we'll start with the fiber to fabrics itself directly. That's better. Now this fiber to fabric is classified into how many types? Fiber is classified into two types, right?
Yes, sir. From natural fibers and
Yes,
One by one.
Natural fibers and synthetic
Okay, I
fibers.
will tell you the
Natural
mind
fibers
map. I asked
and
you
animals
one
and
thing.
synthetic.
I will mute everyone. I will not allow anyone to speak also. If you do like this continuously,
No, sir.
just raise your hands. I'll call you one by one. So first fiber is classified into the two types. One is a natural fiber
Synthetic fiber.
and the synthetic fibers. Now, Cyrus, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is a natural
is it?
fiber, Cyrus?
Like wool, bristles of and quills.
Sorry.
Natural fibers are like wool, fur, bristles, quills.
Is it natural fiber?
Yes.
Cyrus, sir is asking you not examples, but to almost like define it.
Okay. So Harini, what is a natural fiber?
A natural fiber is a fiber that is obtained from plants or animals. It is not made up of chemicals.
The fibers which are obtained from the plants and animals are called as in natural fibers. Right? Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Nikhil, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil, what are the examples of plant fibers?
Wool, wool, sir. Cotton,
Wool is a plant fiber.
sir.
Whether wool is a plant fiber?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Not wool, not wool. Cotton, sir. Cotton, jute,
Jute,
hemp.
hemp,
Silk.
I asked you one by one.
Sir, flax.
I'll call one by one. Wait. Nikhil, what is your answers next? That's all, Nikhil. Srishti, what is your answer next?
Sir, flax.
Flask. Okay. Next, anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
Sir, wool, silk, and leather.
Which one you are saying? Cotton plant fiber is a wool, silk, and leather.
No, sir, I am saying about animals. Sir.
Okay. So this is the animal fiber is a wool,
Wool, silk, leather.
silk, leather. Oh, okay. But what is this plant fiber mainly contain?
Sir, clothes mainly contain clothes.
Wait,
The
wait.
fibers.
No.
Sir,
Yes,
can I say
wait.
vegetables?
Who is this? Now bringing the periodic table, Kunal.
Yes, sir. Can I?
First of all, we are discussing about the mind map of fiber to fabrics. Don't bring the topic of periodic table here. Okay. So generally the plant fibers are made up of cellulose. Did I mention this one in the class? The plant fibers are made up of
Yes, sir. Cellulose. You mentioned it.
cellulose. The animal fibers are made up of proteins. Okay. Now, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
so wool contain what is the protein? What is the protein present in the wool?
Sir, keratin.
Keratin. Good. What about the silk? Silk.
Sir, can I?
Wait. Already have given the opportunity to you, right, Susti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next time it will get silk.
I did, sir. I did not got.
I will give everyone. Don't worry. Silk. Aditi. Jait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the protein present in the silk? What are the proteins present in the silk?
Sir, Raghav, can I?
Wait, Raghu. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Fibron and sericin, sir.
The answer is fibrin and
Fibron
sericin.
and sericin.
Very good. Fibrin, sericin. Now, Raghav,
Yes, sir.
what is the synthetic fiber?
Sir, synthetic fiber is a man-made.
Generally, synthetic fibers are the
Man-made fibers.
man-made fibers.
Sir, synthetic fibers are fibers made by man. They are man-made fiber prepared with help of chemicals.
Yeah, with the help of the chemicals, we will prepare with in the laboratory. Those are synthetic fibers. Okay. Next one. Satvika.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the examples of synthetic fibers?
Sir, rayon, nylon, polyester.
Rayon, nylon, polyester. Next. Okay. Any one of you know what is the name of the rayon? Nickname of rayon?
Sir, artificial silk.
Very good. The answer is artificial silk. What is the name of nylon? Nickname?
Synthetic fiber.
Magical fiber. What is the nickname of nylon?
Magical fiber.
Magical fiber. Now, which one is called as a queen of fabrics?
Sir, rayon.
Sir, polyester.
Polyester.
Polyester. No,
Sir, nylon.
not nylon. Shiva Pranav. Wait, everyone. Shiva Pranav.
Sir, fiber. Sir, not fiber, sir. Sir, I think polyester.
Polyester. No. Ahana Singh.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Which one is called as a queen of fabrics?
Queen. Sir, silk.
Kunal. Wait.
Sir, can I? Raghav?
Wait, Raghu. Ahana.
Is it rayon?
Not rayon. Okay. Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which one is called as a queen of fabrics?
What, sir?
Queen of fabrics.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Which one is called as which one is known as a queen of fabrics? Is it audible to others?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah, Raghav, what is the answer?
Sir, silk. Silk, sir.
Silk is collagen,
Sir, I said that one only, na, sir.
queen of fabrics. Very good. Then Kunal,
Huh?
which one is collagen? Golden fiber.
Golden fiber. Golden, sir, I think polyester. Sir,
Yeah, Shiva.
sir,
Not polyester, Kunal. Shiva.
wool.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, Aditi.
Sir, wool.
Raghav, can I tell?
Raghav, I have given the chance for you, right? Silk. Wait. We'll give chance to each and everyone.
Ma'am, sir, I think spun.
Spanna. Can you see the spun here anywhere?
No, sir.
Which one is
No,
called
sir.
golden fiber?
Sir, I'm Pranav, can I say?
Pranav, wait, Pranav. I will give you a chance.
Sir, jute. Sir, jute.
Who is this?
Kunal Reddy. Sir, Kunal.
Kunal. You have become block only man now.
Sir, Kunal said answer correct, sir.
Kunal, I already given you a warning so many times.
Oh, sir.
And this is not the thing. You have to listen first. I am giving you opportunity, right? So what is the answer? The golden fiber is collagen, jute fiber. Jute is collagen,
Golden fiber.
golden fiber. Okay. Now this question is open for everyone. Which one is called the drug plant?
Sir,
Drug plant.
Sir, tobacco.
Not that one. Kemp.
Kempo.
The nickname for the kemp is a drug plant.
Drug plant. Sir, why is kept as drug plant, sir?
It is usually in the some preparation of medicines. Okay, like that.
Then why golden fiber, sir? Jute, they can keep cotton
The-
also. Not.
Golden fiber for jute is because the jute is similar to the gold color, right? Pale yellow color.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's why it is called as a golden fiber.
Sir, white nylon is called as magical fiber, sir.
Sorry,
White nylon is called as magical fiber, sir.
because nylon has a different properties. Like it can use it in the different ways. Preparation of ropes. It will have the high tensile strength. It will not break easily.
Sir, I think polyester is made
Okay,
up
sir.
of plastic, sir.
Polyester is made up of ester groups. That we'll discuss in the higher classes. What is a polyester meaning?
Sir,
Polyester.
because they will sell like polyester cups or something like outside.
That's what they will made up. Polyester is a type of cloth. Ester groups they will prepare. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please scroll this a bit up? Yes, sir.
Polyester is in synthetic fiber, na?
Yeah, polyester is synthetic fiber only.
It is made by chemicals.
Yeah, chemicals itself. Ester chemicals. Finish this one.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Now we'll make this cotton and the wool.
Sir, 1 minute. I'll take. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's better to take the screenshot, right?
Yeah, your wish. If it's better to write or you can better to take the screenshot. Now we'll consider as a wool. Main one. So what was studied about the wool in this chapter?
Sir, can you repeat?
What we have discussed about the wool in this chapter?
It is obtained from sheep.
Sir, Kunal, can I say?
Wait, Kunal.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Wait.
Sir, one
That-
second, you can repeat the question.
Jagruti. We have discussed about the wool, right? So what are the subtopics we discussed about the wool? Do you understand the question or not?
Yes, sir.
Mahavir,
Sir, can I? Sir, what is the question?
Yes, sir.
what are the subtopics we are discussing about the wool in this chapter?
Kunal?
Wait, Kunal.
Sir, Kunal got many times, sir. Answer.
Wait.
Only one time, sir.
Kunal.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we learned that there are different types of wool. Sir, and we learned how the processing of wool, and there are 5 steps. First is shearing.
Okay, first we'll come to the point here. First one is the processing of wool.
Yes, sir.
What is the first step in the processing of wool?
Sir, shearing.
Shearing. Yeah, what is the shearing?
Scroll a little bit up.
What is the shearing?
Sir, sir, shearing means they remove.
Sir, can I show up now?
Wait, Shiva. Shearing means what?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Sir, shearing means like they remove the wool from the body of the sheep.
Removal of the fleece from the skin of the animals is called as a shearing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shiva, what is the next one?
Sir, grading.
Grading or
sorting.
sorting?
Grading is sorting, yes, sir.
What is this grading or sorting?
Sir, the process of separating hair in different texture.
The process of separating the fleece
Hair.
based upon the
Sir, the process of separating the woolen fibers.
the process of separating. 1 minute, wait. The process of separating the fleece based upon the length of the fiber, quality of the fiber, and the color of the fiber, and the fineness of the fiber.
Sir, can we write texture?
Yeah, texture also. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ritvik, what is your doubt? One by one. Ritvik, what is your doubt? Yeah, someone is asking doubt, right? Aditi?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, what is it?
Sir, in the video you showed us before on the topic wool, they told that scouring or washing is the second process. So is scouring second process or sorting is the second process in processing of wool?
We can take both, no problem. Suppose if you want to wash the wool before itself, you will do the washing process. Otherwise, after the sorting process, you can do it in the washing separately based upon the quality.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. What is the third one? Wait, Sai Karthikeya. Sai
Sir, I
Karthikeya.
have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Sai Karthikeya. Sai Karthikeya.
Sir, you called me.
Yeah. So what is the third process? What is the third step in the processing of wool?
Sir, first is shearing.
Sir, scouring.
What's the third one? Srusti, wait.
Scouring.
Wait, Srusti. Sai Karthikeya.
Sir, can I please?
Wait, I will give chance to each and everyone. Sai, are you there first? Till now, I didn't answer any one of my questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the third?
So the third one is going to be scouring, sir.
Scoring. What is the scoring?
Sir, can I?
Wait. What is the scoring? Sai?
Sir, I don't properly know scouring, sir. I just know that it's in the process, sir.
Scoring means
So
nothing but removal of the dirt particles or removal of the waste particles,
Washing.
right? Removal of the
Washing.
dirty particles or waste particles from the fleece of the sheep is called as in scouring. Or any oily layer present in the fleece of the sheep, removing of that oily layer is also called as in scouring.
Sir, we can also use the word washing, right?
Yeah, washing also will use.
Washing the sheep.
Yeah. or simply terms is the washing of the fleece of the sheep from the dirt particles is called as an scouring or the washing. Sri Vallabha. Sri Vallabha. Sri Vallabha, unmute yourself first.
Sir, it's carding.
What is the next one? Then what is it?
Four.
What is the meaning of carding?
Sir means up.
What is the meaning of carding?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, to dye the wool.
Dye. No.
Sir, boiling water in water.
Boiling.
Sir,
in water.
removing the fresh wool and bad wool.
Removing the fresh and bad wool. No. All the answers are wrong.
Can I say?
Burn
Jait is there.
boiling water.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I, Kunal?
Wait. Jait.
Ritvik? Sir means
Wait,
roll.
Ritvik.
No, sir.
Jait,
Yes, sir.
what is carding process?
Sir, it's heating.
Sir, can I say, Kunal?
Wait, Kunal.
Sir, can I?
What, Jait, are you there first? Jagruti, Jait.
Yes,
Jagrati.
sir.
Jait, what is the carding process, Jait?
Sir, heating fluids.
Heating of fluids. No. Already we're discussing the carding process from the past 2 weeks, right?
Sir,
Sir, I'm Pranav. Can I answer?
Sir, I'm Aditi. Can I?
sir, that dish.
Sir, I'm Pranav.
Wait,
No,
what?
no.
Wait.
Sir, I know. Sir.
Harini,
Sir, it's mechanical process.
mechanical process of
Cleaning fiber.
cleaning fiber.
No, sir, coloring wool.
Yeah, Kunal.
Sir, can I?
Sir, carding means.
Carding means
The carding means the distangle fibers are then passed through the rollers to become the angle fibers.
very good. The distangled fibers are passed through the rollers to make into the thin sheets.
Sir, can
Or
I say?
we can tell right angle fibers or angle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, those thin sheets are called as web.
yeah.
Sir, first we color, then we do make a sheet.
So first we'll take the fibers, then we'll make it into small pieces, then we will wash, and again we'll make the small pieces of the woolen into the thin sheets. That converts
sir.
the distangled fibers into the thin sheets is called as an carding. And the last one is a spinning.
Sir, at that time it will stitch, sir.
Fifth one is spinning.
Yeah, spinning.
Yeah.
Sir, you showed us that video. Yes,
So I
sir.
have shown the complete video of that.
Yes,
So-
sir.
And the last process is
The last process will be the thin sheets of the strands are passed through the spinning machine where strands are twisted to make the yarn.
in the spinning only we have the different types.
Dyeing.
Sir, is it dying?
Yeah, dyeing. Dyeing means what? Coloring.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the colors are added to the cloth, sir. This
And
process
one more thing.
is as like
You can speak one by one. When you're finished with the speaking, you can mute yourself. That is the main thing first. Kunal. Okay. So dyeing can be done before the spinning also or after the spinning also. Okay. So before the spinning also they will do the dyeing process, means coloring process. And after the spinning also they can do. like printing of the fabrics.
Sir, before and after also we can.
Before and after we can do dyeing process. Okay, this is all about the processing of wool. Now we'll come.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
That first one, second.
Okay, sir.
Then what are the occupational hazards with respect to wool industry?
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I say, please?
Raghav is here.
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yeah. What are the occupational hazards?
Sir, we'll get a bacteria disease. I mean that we'll get this respiratory diseases, sir, like bronchitis, asthma.
Yeah. So, but mainly it is an anthrax.
Yes, sir, anthrax.
Anthrax is the occupational hazard in the woolen industry. So it is caused due to the
Sir, I think it's caused due to
Bacillus
the
anthracis.
stage of scoring, sir.
no,
Jay,
Cause-
just 1
it is-
minute.
Jay,
Sir,
it is
it's
correct.
called- Sir, it is called as Bacillus anthracis.
sort. The name of the disease is Bacillus.
Anthracis.
Yeah, it is not caused in the scoring process.
Yes, sir. It is called. It is known as sorter's disease. So it is caused during the sorting process.
Yeah. The name is Bacillus anthracis, or also it is called as an sorter disease. It is not scoring, Jade. It is
Okay,
caused
sir.
due to the sorting process. So it is called as sorter disease. Okay. So this is the occupational hazards with respect to the wool industry. First, processing of the wool. 5 steps will be there, 5 to 6 steps. Then what are the occupational hazards? First is the anthrax, caused due to the bacteria called Bacillus anthracis, and also it is caused during the sorting process. That's why it is called as a sorter disease. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will come to the silk, because these two things only we studied, right? Mainly in the chapter.
Yes, sir.
So silk here. Now, so what are the different types of silk here?
The different types of silk are mulberry silk, iris silk, and
What is the different types of silk?
Sir, I'm Pranav. Can I say?
Tilsu silk
Mulberry silk.
mulberry silk,
Star silk.
iris silk,
Pranav.
iris silk.
and Eris, and sir, Eris is the rarest one. And
Various types of occupational disorders are
Who is
associated.
there?
Kunal is seeing in Google.
Kunal.
Sir, Tushar silk is also there.
Kunal.
Sir, I didn't got occupational hazard, so that's why I searched it.
Sir, it is not.
Don't search
Ah,
anything in the
it is-
Google.
It is.
Okay,
If you
sir.
do like that, I will not allow you to say anything next time onwards.
Last, I will tell you.
Okay, wait.
Sir, there are so many type of silks.
Sir, tushar silk, mulberry silk,
Mulberry silk,
mulberry silk, iris silk,
Sir,
So Eris silk
iris silk,
Sir, silk.
and Muga silk.
muga
Muga.
silk,
Sir, it is
muga
Muga.
silk, and also this
Tushar silk.
yes, sir.
So
tushar silk.
Tussar silk. These are the 4 different types of silk. Okay, Pranav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what are the occupational hazards of the silk industry?
Sir, when
Occupational
we are
hazards.
sir, that asthma problems, sir, respiratory problems. While boiling the foods, if we are means inhaling the boiling vapors, we will get asthma problems, respiratory problems, sir.
What is the first one? Asthma.
Asthma.
Next one.
And then hearing problems, sir, while hearing the big machines.
Okay, hearing.
Hearing problems.
Next
Sir,
one.
we will not get any hearing process. I mean hearing problem.
Generally, silk industry don't have hearing problems, but general common industries will have the hearing problems.
That's due to the mission sound.
And third one, burning of skin due to the hot boiling water.
I think itching also, sir, like itching.
Okay.
Sir, itching?
Okay.
Like touching
So I
that.
think skin disease.
Burning
Yes,
of
sir.
skin or the skin disease.
Skin disease.
The skin.
So these are the common things, occupation hazards in the silk industry.
Excuse me, sir. Can you
Yeah.
scroll a bit down?
Yeah.
A bit down, sir.
That down, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want to take the screenshot?
Yes, sir. Just a bit more down. I want to see the occupational hazard.
Sir, I know when the skin is burning while the boiling process, they keep minute to minute hands in the boiling process because they check that is the cocoon boiling.
Sir, can you please scroll a bit down? I want to see that wool and silk part.
Sir, he's talking about which you drew.
Yeah, yes, sir.
This one.
No, sir. He's telling to go up.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir,
Yeah, Raghav.
sir, I want you to show the mind map.
Mind map. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the part. A bit more down. I want to see the occupation hazards, the wool and silk part.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This is the part. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, next one. So processing of silk. What is the processing of silk first? What are the steps in the processing of silk? First thing is
Collecting the. Sir, selecting the cocoons.
yeah, that is different thing. Only two important things
Sir,
are.
can I say, sir? Sir, can I say?
No. I will explain you all the things one by one. Wait.
Sir, first one, moth and other.
Molding, and the second one is the reeling.
Kunal, can you please mute?
Okay, these two are the Kunal.
Sir.
Mute yourself first. So next one is the processing of silk. In that first one is a boiling, and the next one is a reeling. Okay, so boiling means what? Boiling of the cocoons to get the silk fiber from that. And the reeling means what? Unwinding of the silk from the cocoons is called as an reeling. And one more term we discussed in the class, that is a filature.
Yes, sir. It is the place. It is the place where the processing of unwinding of the silk takes place.
Filature means it is a place like sericulture plant. The place where processing of unwinding of the silk is called as a filature. But reeling is the main process in the processing of silk. Reeling means unwinding of the cocoon or unwinding of the silk from the cocoon is called as in reeling. So next we'll come back to the life cycle of the female silk moth from here. So how many stages are there in the life cycle of female silk moth?
Sir, there are 4 steps, sir.
4
No,
stages,
4
right? First one is the eggs.
Sir, first is egg, the next one is larva, the third one is cocoon,
Egg,
fourth
larva,
pupa,
and
Is
then
the
the fifth
egg
one
one
is
is the
still
adult.
and the adult
Larva,
moth with antenna and wing.
cocoon,
Adult silk moth.
and
Sir, after the cocoon.
adults. So there is a life cycle of the female silk moth. So there is a complete chapter mind map. Understanding. Apart from this, we discussed anything? Side headings? Is it clear or not? Everyone, mind map?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir. Clearly, sir.
Suppose if you remember this mind map perfectly now, you can remember all the concepts in the chapter. That's why I'm asking you to note down in the book. Fiber to fabrics.
Sir, you can show the down part.
Sir, can you once explain the process of silk?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one.
You want to explain the process of the silk?
Not this this
No,
upon.
Sir,
Wait,
can
wait, wait. Yeah, someone is asking explain the processing of.
silk, sir.
Okay, Aditi, I will explain you. Wait 1 minute. Still, have took the screenshot, everyone?
Upon, sir.
Yes, sir.
This part is finished for everyone.
Yes, sir. This part is finished.
The part is finished.
Upon. Yes, sir. Not yes, sir. This one.
Yes, sir. Now can you go a bit more down?
Finish this part.
Sir, it's completed.
It's completed. Everyone.
Also, like at the very end.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay.
Completed.
Then
Yes, sir.
okay.
Sir, are you writing?
Sorry.
Sir, are you writing on there?
No, right now I am not writing anything. So if you want to the processing of the silk, what they will do? Yeah. So first we'll collect all the cocoons. Listen carefully, everyone. The processing of the silk. So after this larvae converting into the cocoon, we'll take all the cocoons from the baskets and we'll keep it in the hot boiling water. So when you place all the cocoons in the hot boiling water, what will happen? The moth present inside the cocoon will die first. Yes. Once the moth died and the cocoon start boiling, one filament is there, right? What is the filament first? First, do you know the filament or not?
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. It's the cementing.
Yeah, filament is nothing but the thin hair-like structure around the cocoon. That is called as a filament. So when you put the cocoon in the boiling water, the filament starts unwinding from the cocoon. So we'll collect 2 or 3 filaments at the same time to make a silk thread, because each filament is very, very thin. Understanding? So we'll take 2 or 3 filaments at the same time and we'll twist together to make silk thread. So the process of unwinding of these cocoons to get the silk thread is called as an reeling. The process of unwinding the filament from the cocoons is called as an reeling. But what is a filature? The factory where silk fiber is unwounded from the cocoon is called as an filature. Filature is a place name and that process is called as an reeling. So after getting the silk thread, what they will do? They will make into the yarns. From yarns to the fabric. So how they will convert from yarn to the fabric? Either with the help of the spinning, that is done by weaving process, or the knitting process. Weaving process means what? Taking the 2 yarns at right angle to each other and we'll interlace that one. In the case of knitting process, we'll take only 1 yarn and we'll interlace with the help of only 1 yarn. Okay, this is the processing of the silk.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Still anyone has doubts in this chapter?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
What is the sericulture?
Sir, it is like it is formed by. It is
Sir, it's a procedure.
They are only
Reading the
Growing,
India. They are
growing moths.
so like in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Sericulture is the place where breeding of the silkworms will be done.
Yes, sir.
and I have a research center in Kurur in Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yeah, the government of India has the sericulture institute in the Tamil Nadu state. That is a Kunur district. That's a place name. So there is a complete mind map of this chapter. Still, anyone
Karnataka is the producer of silks.
okay? Still, anyone has the doubts in the mind map? You can ask me now itself.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir, in the man.
Everything is clear, and I want
Yes, sir.
everyone to write down this mind map in only one A4 sheet, one side of the A4 sheet paper.
Sir, actually, I wrote it down in my science chemistry notebook, sir.
Boys, listen first. Take on A4 sheet paper and write the complete mind map in one side of the A4 sheet paper and stick it on the book.
Okay, sir.
Because if you open the A4 sheet paper, you should know all the concepts of the chapter.
Sir, but I have written in the book, sir.
No problem. You can write in one more A4 sheet paper and you can stick on the same.
So I wrote it on the blank side of the book.
Okay, no problem. But you should write on only in one page completely.
Sir, like.
Yes, sir, I wrote it only on one page.
Sir, in which book we should stick?
Sir, I have a
You have the
doubt.
chemistry book is there, right? For the class?
Yes, sir. Yes,
in the
sir.
book only you have to stick. I mean,
Okay, sir.
our chemistry book, Chanakya tutorial chemistry book is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Science book.
Yes, sir.
In that you have to stick, not in your school book.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, who is this? Shiva?
Yes, sir. Sir, cotton is discovered in India.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Then leather? Leather in which country, sir?
Leather, I'll tell you in the next class which country have this one leather.
So and during like British
Sir,
occupied
silk is in
India.
China.
Silk is from China.
Yes.
Yeah. Harini?
So like when British occupied India, then like all the countries came to know about cotton.
Cotton. Before that and all, we have only the natural fiber cloths like cotton cloths. But when the British came into the India, then only become famous. That you will study in the history part, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Found the Kempo, sir. Kempo
During
and
the during the industrialization of the Europe, these things will happen around the 1700 something.
Sir?
During the industrialization of the Europe.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Raghav.
Sir, Kunal asked something about leather, right?
Yeah.
Sir, so did he ask about the protein present in it?
No.
Okay, sir.
Country, he said.
Okay. Okay. Any doubts in
Sir,
this class?
sir, once again, you can show full mind map.
Sir, and leather is made up of a protein called
But
collagen.
you can minimize and show, sir.
Wait, we can't minimize the screen here. Yeah, Raghav. Protein is sorry.
Sir,
Leather is made up
leather is made up of a protein called collagen.
Okay.
Sir, in which country they found nylon and nylon, sir?
Nylon is a synthetic fiber.
Nylon is synthetic fiber. Mostly it is in America, I think.
No, sir, like it is man-made, sir. That's why which country?